Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today might be your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Those of now who don't subscribe, I bet Mona like my video, Mona put thumbs up. I love all of now. Mona they leave comment, I beg. And those people when they always they leave comment for my video, I love you all. So today matter now be say I come tell una say I dey do hookup. My hookup program now Friday, Wednesday and Sunday. I dey do am live for Facebook every 8 o'clock in the evening, Friday, Sunday and Wednesday, 8 o'clock in the evening. That 3 days now till they do am. Abeg, if you know say you dey find good husband, come meet me. We get our brother for different country. We get our brother for Nigeria, for France, for Italy, everywhere for the world. Na so sisters still dey. We get our sister for different type of the world, for all the whole world. So if you know say you be woman, you dey find husband, come run come this my YouTube channel, run come my Facebook, run come meet me, make I hook you up with good husband wey go take care of you, husband wey go know your value. So all of the day my hook up. So I no dey give anyhow person to person. Before I give woman to you, I must make sure say the woman get woman that is wife material. I must make sure say now woman when you fit take live for the rest of your life. Now so you see, babe, before I give you husband, before I give you man for here, I know say na husband material, na caring father, na caring husband. So if you know say you dey available, call my number. My number now on call, so +33 75. Let's start them again. +33 75 12 33 514. That be my number. So my name now Rita Unamori. Abeg, if you know say you dey available, call me. I go help. So now, so abeg, if you know say you dey available, you call that number when I drop phone now. So we'll go straight to the point. We don't see come with another tori. The tori one come with now be say some people they get jealous spirit. They every person. They envy their fellow human being. If you know say wetin person do, you no go fit do one. Praise am, no jealous say that one na something when she do. No jealous. Jealousness na dey make some people no dey reach where they supposed to reach. Heaviness no good. You wey no feel happy for person, you see your mate buy motor, your fellow human being buy motor, you no feel happy, you dey jealous say which kind one be that one na motor. No, if you see who buy motor, follow happy. If you see who born pikin, new baby, follow happy. The way you take follow person happy, now so God go still do and still follow you happy. No say that one na pikin, but if you see the way pikin ugly, or na baby girl, or abeg that one na husband when he marry, or na wife. No, just happy with them. If you see who new marry, happy. If you see who new born, happy with the person. If you see who build house, happy with the person. If you see who build company, happy with the person. Anybody wey happy with person, na so they'll stay happy with the person too. Na so. No be say you just get jealous spirit. You say wetin he do, wetin he do when they never see before. No. Heaviness e no good. So na that thing I come talk. If you know say you get jealous spirit, you have to pray over it. So if the jealous person for no reason, they every person, the jealousness will conscious to hatred. Because you dey jealous that woman, or you dey jealous that man, or you dey jealous that boy, or you dey jealous that girl, you come hate am. So people no fit hide their jealousness again. So jealousness be like sickness. Jealousness no good. Always follow people happy. No envy people. because God go still do one for you if you no jealous. So na this matter na say me I come drop for here. And most people, some people again, another matter na enter so again. When person will just tell you say that sister no good or that brother no good or that man a bad person, you go just use that the same eye take dey follow that person. No be say that person do something for your eye when it take bad. No, if person tell you say that woman no good, try am make you look am whether the woman go good for you too. No follow am come dey keep menace or just dey pass am dey fear the woman, dey scared of the person. No, if person no do something for your eye, no call the person bad person, wait till the person do something for your eye. So those of una wey be say if una just hear say dem say this person no be better person, una just run for the person, una no dey near person again, e no good. So na this matter now say me I come talk today for here. Always love your neighbor, love each other, love your neighbor as yourself. Na so God talk am. No envy anybody. If you no envy anybody, God go do your own for you. So na so. And again, I don't leave that topic. Those men when they sleep with their stepdaughter, mona stop am. Na bad spirit. Those men when they sleep with their own daughter, mona stop am. No matter anything when they say, God make dem kill cow, kill goat, make the soil for comot for your body. Na like that soil no fit comot for your body. Maybe you sleep with your pikin finish, or you sleep with your stepdaughter finish. You come say okay, family go say okay, make dem kill goat, make dem kill anything take return the soil. Na lie. E no dey comot for your body. Na bad spirit. Wetin go make you sleep with your own daughter? Wetin go make you sleep with your own stepdaughter? That one na bad spirit. They do you. They swear for you. So when we dey grow dey come that time, e get one ask wey we first dey. I no wan mention it, but me I just mention it. The woman and Mama Elo, her husband, he sleep with his own sister. Every time his sister and this his husband, they too tight. The man go here, go here. He go do this, he go do this. They play rough play. We dey wonder wetin happen, wetin dey happen. This one no be say na in-law na make am. Something's happen. So we come get patience. Everybody come dey look wetin dey happen. Una know wetin happen one day. So when the woman come go, he come go mother place. When he go in mother place, he come send their last born make come house, make come stay with his children too. Plus this is sister when he and her husband dey play together. So this is sister when her husband dey play together. That one come go all night that day. He come remember this their last born, the woman last born for us. The man come make love with the woman last born. Wetin make dem know? Make I tell una. The woman last born come get belle. He pregnant his wife sister, their last born. He pregnant am. And after this one, he fed dey friend the woman's sister. The woman's sister just quiet. His senior sister quiet. The woman last born come say, na Papa Elo give me belle o. Everybody come holla. They come drag this man, drag. Before the man come accept, say yes. So the other one, sickness come hold am. The senior sister, wey they two dey play together, with this his sister husband dey play together right from time before. That one come dey sick because that one no gree talk. He come love his sister husband. He come be say the man dey friend his sister. That is the man dey friend his wife sister, his wife senior sister, plus his own wife. Na him dey marry. Then when their last born come, he come still sleep with their last born. Now their last born na come carry belle. Now through their last born now we continue know wetin dey inside. When they give that one belle. So the woman say they must make sure say they abort that baby, because na disgrace, na shame. If they born am, wetin the baby go be? E get as e be. They don't know as they wan take place and say, "Oh, be your papa." Wetin they wan tell the baby? They come make sure say they abort that baby. The other one the woman sister, senior sister, when they date before, that one sickness come hold am. They say if you no talk wetin happen, e go die. She go die. Now she come say if they date the masses since how many years? Because okay, make dem kill goat, do this one. The woman leave the marriage because no need. That one not be marriage. So you when be man, when they do like that, you go see your wife sister, you won't friend her. Your stepdaughter, you won't friend her. Your own pikin, you won't friend her. The judgment wey dey for you, take time. So una wey be men when they do that thing, una stop am. So use our own sense. People they sleep with their own mother. Some men, why? Now madness. Sleep with your own daughter. You know the shame. When guests full everywhere. Guests full everywhere. So we just pray more no jam all these people, all these kind of stupid husband when they call themselves husband, or those of una stupid when be single mother, maybe you won't go marry another man. Mona they look man well before na they marry. I beg. Some men are dog. Na dog. That they do dog even say for this life now. Una the year dog and fowl. So some men they can do undo. So before you follow any man, look and well. If you get daughter, you dey hear so. If you get daughter, look the man when you won't go date. Men no use your pikin take do yeye through way I beg. So now this one I say me I can't drop. Men when they do that kind of thing, not good now, bad spirit. Mona stop. If you no get woman, another woman, go Igbagwe. Go roads, you carry woman, sleep with the woman. They say you sleep with your pikin or your sister, or your sister, your own sister, or your stepdaughter. You understand? Those one are bad spirits. So now this message I say me I can drop. Una know una girl, una sister. So me na advice I do. I not be the judge. I not be God when they judge. Now God go judge everybody, not me go judge. But I say I control my mouth, but man just talk. I also now understand when I not vex for me. I love all of una. Bye bye, and my sister Rita. Una more. Bye bye. I love you all. Una take care. Bye.